Maimo told me he was craving a Leberkäsweckle, so I told him, du weißt schon, dass du mit einer Vietnamesin verheiratet bist, oder? Heute gibt's kein Leberkäsweckle, heute gibt's vietnamesisches Banh Mi. I started off by preparing the pickled vegetables, by cutting them in stripes and adding sugar and salt so that they can entwässern. For the grilled meat, I remove the bones first, but I don't throw them away because this is eine Verschwendung. You can just put them in the freezer and use them to prepare soup broth. Once that was done, I seasoned the meat with garlic, fish sauce, oyster sauce, a bisschen Hühnerbrühe, sugar, garlic powder, and the Vietnamese 5 spices powder. I then spritzed on some oil, and once it was all incorporated, I set it aside. In the meantime, I washed my pre-cut vegetables, squeezed out all the liquid, and put them in a container with water, sugar, and vinegar. While the meat is in the air fryer, I spread my bread, das reimt sich, with butter and Leberwurst. Banh mi usually tastes better with Vietnamese pate, but since I live in Germany, I'll just use German Leberwurst. I also add some mayonnaise and sriracha as well as cilantro into my bread. And lastly, I fill my bread with my grilled meat as well as my pickled vegetables. And sodale, there you have it. Vietnamese banh mi. It's sweet, sour, yet savory. Das ist einfach eine Geschmacksexplosion, Leute. Probieret's aus.